Today, as we can see the heading there, problems on guarantee of a profit. See the heading carefully. Problems on guarantee of a profit. So you may be wondering, what is this guarantee of a profit? This is given to one of the new partner when he is entering to the business by the old partners. Suppose there are two partners who are running the business. They would like to have one more person into the business. Then the new person may ask, I want this much of profit. Are you ready to give me? So then only I will enter into the business. Then only I will add capital to the business. So a new partner is admitted into the partnership firm with a guarantee of certain minimum amount of profit. So the old partners has to guarantee the new partner that I will give you so much. If that much of profit as promised is not reached, suppose say the new partner has been guaranteed that you will get profit at the end of the year 25,000. So after the business is not able to get 25,000 to him, suppose according to that 20,000 comes to the partner, new partner, 5,000 deficiency. One second. So here 20,000 comes and 5,000 shortage. That 5,000 is to be borne by the other two partners. So 20,000 from the profits of the business and 5,000 from the guarantee of the partners. So they will bear that 5,000, whichever is less, that is to be paid to the new partner. That is what is called as guarantee of a profit to a partner. As a minimum amount. This is the minimum amount. If more than that, 25,000 more than that, it comes, no problem. The new partner also will be happy. Old partners need not share anything. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me work a problem here. Sachin and Rahul were partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dhoni for 1/6 share in the profits and guaranteed that his share of profit will not be less than 25,000. Will not be less than 25,000. You have to underline that, not less than 25,000. Total profit of the firm were 90,000. Calculate the share of profit for each partner when the guarantee is given by a firm. By a firm means if there is a less amount than 25,000 to the new partner Dhoni, then whoever the partners are there, they have to share that shortage, or we call it as deficiency, in their profit and loss sharing ratio. So we'll see here, will Dhoni get 25,000 or not? If not, Sachin and Rahul has to share that in the 3:2 ratio. So we'll work that one, we'll understand. So 90,000, same profit and loss appropriation account only. Okay, nothing better than that. Please understand. So first we have to go for new profit sharing ratio. What will be the new profit sharing ratio? So here 3:2 is the old one, but you can see here Dhoni's share is 1/6, 1/6. So 1/6 is this only. So 3:2:1. Okay, that becomes 3 for Sachin, 2 for Rahul, 1 for Dhoni. So 3/6, 2/6, 1/6 is the one. So in this ratio, the profit will be divided. Then we will come to know what will be the deficiency therein. So let us see here. 90,000 I have taken here, net profit, as usual, by profit and loss account, net profit. That net profit 90,000 to be divided among the partners. So Sachin gets 90,000 into 3/6. Rahul gets 90,000 into 2/6. Dhoni gets 90,000 into 1/6. Yeah, can you see now? To Sachin's capital 45, to Rahul's capital 30, to Dhoni's capital 15,000. So now, according to problem, Dhoni is supposed to get not less than 25,000. You can see here, not less than 25. But here, he has got only 15,000. So now, we have to see minimum guarantee 25,000. We can do this calculation in the beginning only. Okay, minimum guarantee 25,000. Share of profit to Mr. Dhoni of the firm. So 90,000 into 1/6, that comes to 15,000. So deficiency of Dhoni is 10,000. So this 10,000 to be shared by partners, because by the firm it is. Firm means whoever is there in the firm. So Sachin has to bear in the old ratio 3:2 deficiency. So 3/5 and 2/5. 10,000 into 3/5, 10,000 into 2/5, 6,000 and 4,000. So from the business, Dhoni is getting 15,000. From partners, Dhoni will get 10,000. That is deficiency guaranteed by Sachin and Rahul. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll go for this now. So Sachin's share is 45,000 here, what he has got. Rahul has got 30,000 rupees. Now remember, Sachin has to give 6,000 to Dhoni. Rahul has to give 4,000 to Dhoni. So here, Sachin's capital is 45,000 less share in deficiency of Dhoni. So he gives 6,000 to Dhoni. So his profit will be 39,000. Rahul has to give 4,000 to Dhoni. So his profit is 25,000. Sorry, 26,000. So Sachin's profit has reduced. Rahul's profit is also reduced. Now, Dhoni, from the business, he has got 15,000. From Sachin, he has got 6,000. From Rahul, he has got 4,000. Total becomes 25,000. You will not get usually any adjustment here in this particular topic. No interest on capital, nothing of that sort usually comes 99.99%. But there is a possibility. I cannot say exactly, it may not come, but usually no. This is 6 marks problem.
Sir?
Hmm.
Sir, debit side 2 amount columns we should do and credit
Yeah,
side
yeah,
only.
2 only. Yeah, 2 only. Because you have to show, no, less. We have to add. See, I have added here
Can
for
we
Dhoni.
write credit side only 1 amount column? Is it okay, sir?
Enough, no. Because no other adjustment, no. Any adjustment is there on the credit side?
No, sir.
Yeah, enough. That is not a problem at all. Nobody will object. Nobody will object because you have only 1 on the credit side, 2 on the debit side. Nobody will object of that kind. Otherwise, you have to write this calculation in the particulars column only. If you write in the particulars column, it don't look nice. Will it look nice?
No, sir.